Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's video, let us see how to prepare traditional ancient bamboo chicken biryani recipe. This is so yummy and mouth-watering, and also we can prepare this at home itself. So first of all, we need some bamboo shoots. You need to select perfect and fresh bamboo shoots. See that no leakages are there at the bottom. Now you need some sal leaves also for the preparation. You take some and put it aside. Now take a bowl and add half kg of chicken into this and add salt according to your taste and 4 tablespoons. First I have added only 4 tablespoons. You check the chili powder spiciness and then you can add. So add 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, pinch of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Squeeze half a lemon into this directly, remove the seeds and then add half cup of curd, and then with the help of your hands start mixing it nicely. See that the entire chicken pieces get mixed nicely with the chili powder, curd and lemon, and then once you're done with the mixing, now add 2 tablespoons of oil and again mix it gently and leave it aside. Meanwhile, I have taken 1.5 cup of basmati rice. I have washed it and directly I have added it. I didn't soak it before. Now mix the rice with the chicken pieces nicely as shown here. So mix nicely the entire ingredients, that is the rice and the chicken nicely, and then now I have added some onions, potatoes and green chili, 1 large onion, 2 medium sized potatoes and 5 to 6 green chilies. This adds more flavor to our bamboo chicken biryani. So mix it nicely with the rice and the chicken pieces and then check for salt and some chili powder. That is your spiciness. If there is anything less, you can add accordingly. Here I have added again 2 tablespoons of oil. That is, for preparing this bamboo chicken biryani, you just need only 4 tablespoons of oil, nothing more. So after you have added oil, check for salt and as I told spiciness and all, I have added 1 tablespoon more because after adding rice that may become a little bit mild taste. So I have added 1 tablespoon of chili powder extra and then I have started mixing it nicely. So you can see that I didn't add any more spices. If you like to add, you can add biryani leaves and cloves and dalcheen. You can add garam masala and everything, but I don't want to miss the original flavor of the chicken as well as rice and the bamboo. So I didn't add or I didn't overload with more spices. So once you're done mixing with the ingredients, take the bamboo shoot and add or stuff it till it is 3/4. So once you're done stuffing this, so as I have told you, I have added 1.5 cup of water. Here I have added 3 cups of water. For 1.5 cup of basmati rice, you need to add 3 cups of water. This is 1:2 ratio. So once you're done with adding this, there is remaining left. So I have added into another bamboo shoot. Now time to add water. So gently you just slide it over and then add the water into this. Starting you will get some bubbles and later take some gap and then again add the water into this as shown here. Now once you add the water into this, it's time to take our sal leaves. You need to fold it nicely and you need to close the top of the bamboo shoot like this so that no vapor exits out and it will get cooked nicely without leaving any flavors outside. So done. You need to cook this bamboo chicken biryani outdoors only. So prepare this with the help of some bricks and some dried coconut leaves and coconut stuff, and that's it. You need to see that the outer coat of the bamboo shoot turns black and then you can see the water oozing out. That is nice aroma. You can enjoy this. So after 25 minutes of cooking, our bamboo chicken biryani is all ready. So I hope you like this video. You do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. So please do subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for more notifications, like, share and comment. Thank you.